Dwi eisiau byw mewn Cymru iachus, efo dŵr glan, am y cenedlaethau nesaf I bod yn hapus.
I would like to see a Wales where our streams and rivers and lakes and sea are a lot cleaner than they are currently.
I would like to live in a Wales that protects not only its people but its wildlife too, that nurtures nature corridors such as this and understands how important they are for our environment. I would like to live in a Wales that sees all the beauty in the animals that we have here, such as fallow deer, woodpeckers, thrushes, rooks, all sorts of things.
We want to preserve our green spaces. 1 in 6 species is facing extinction across the UK. Green spaces are so important for well-being, for the environment, which we need to protect for future generations.
I'd like to see a Wales where there's more justice. I'm just so aware of people who can't afford to heat their homes, and like to see more insulation so that the heating is cost effective.
Wales has some of the leakiest and most energy inefficient homes in Europe.
We want to see a Wales where no one dies because they can't afford to heat their home properly.
Hoffwn cael Cymru sy'n defnyddio fwy o egni adnewyddadwy gan fod mae tenwyddiau ffosil yn lladdau'n byd ni'n araf iawn ac mae ddim yn teg i'r genhedlaeth nesaf ddelio efo camgymeriadau ni.
We are the first country to declare a climate emergency. We really need to act on this and make ourselves absolutely fossil free.
I'd like to see a Wales which is passionate about the right to repair. I'd like to see a Wales where you can visit a repair cafe in every town from north to south.
I think we all know that plastic is becoming a really major problem. I'd really like to live in a Wales where everyone has ready access to refill shops so that they can meaningfully reduce the amount of single-use plastic in their lives.
I'd like to live in a Wales where communities are connected and better informed. For example, there's 500 properties that are at risk of flooding in the town, and we're getting a much better understanding about flood prevention.
Mae angen ni siarad am llygredd air oherwydd mae llygredd air yn effeithio ein cymuned llawer iawn. Dydi o ddim yn teg oherwydd mae'r plant yn cael ei fforsio I anadlu mewn y air yma ac ni ddim yn gwybod beth sy'n mewn y air.
The Wales I'd like to live in going forward would be a more inclusive country.
Hoffwn I byw mewn Cymru lle bydd pobl yn beicio tipyn bach yn fwy ac bydd y llywodraeth yn gweithio ar rheol I creu beiciau lôn I creu fe fwy diogel am pobl sy'n beicio.
Dwi hefyd eisiau byw mewn gwlad lle mae gymuned lleol yn rhan o benderfyniadau fatha cynulliadau y bobl a'r bethau sy'n bwysig iddyn nhw fel cymuned.
And I want to live in a Wales that's a compassionate country, a place where local people's concerns are not just listened to but acted upon as well. A place where big business can't impose their will on people, especially in a beautiful place like this.
Pa fath o Gymru yr hoffech chi fyw ynddi? Defnyddiwch ein adnodd ni I ddweud wrth eich ymgeiswyr cyn etholiadau'r Senedd ar faer 7 Fed. Cliciwch ar y linc yn ein bio.